Wholesale as manufacturing of a robotic vacuum cleaner accessory. We know a thing or two about what makes a good one. Stick with us for a series of videos. Well, we will share our tips. But if you are cool with paying a fortune for original parts, you might wanna skip ahead. Today, let's dive into dust bags. Your robotic vacuum cleaner's dust bag also lives in a base station and needs a change every 2 to 3 months, depending on how dirty it gets. Even though they are disposable, the seal and the filter of the dust bag can really affect the machine's efficiency and cleaning results. Welcome to our dust bag production line at techTongBo. Let's take non-woven fabric dust bags as an example. First up, the non-woven fabric and melt below fabric needed for the dust bags get cut here. We can customize everything for you, from materials and layers to colors. When buying dust bags, pay attention to the filter material and layers. Multi-layered one filter better, and you can even get ones with activated carbon to absorb odors. Check out our sealing, 3 layers for extra strength. Over here, we are using ultrasonic machines for welding. A good seal is key to a good dust bag, see? No matter how much you pour, it holds strong and durable. The cardboard here is getting gelled, then it will stick tight to the bag. These are the finished products, and next, we will tidy them up for packaging. Thanks for watching. Next time, we will talk about the main and side brushes of your robotic vacuum cleaner. Don't forget to like and subscribe to find our channel faster.